Hey guys, so let's check out some other widgets. Uh, so here one toggle button we have seen. Okay, no, so we have seen switch in the last videos, and toggle button we have to see now how this toggle button works. So toggle button is nothing but a kind of switch, but the animation is something different for toggle button. And let's try to run the toggle button how it shows, but before that let's go to the activity because we want trigger of that activity, trigger of that widget. So toggle button, and I will write find view by id r.id dot toggle button, and toggle button dot set on check change listener. Okay, and here I will write toast. State I will write and plus boolean. Okay, so let's try to run this toggle button and let's see how it works. So our application is running and we can see the toggle button. Now you see, if I turn it on, it is on. If I turn it off, it states me off. Okay, on and off. Now let's try to add some component here into this activity. So with the toggle button I will add rating bar. Okay, rating bar here I have added, and this is my linear layout, and I will add margin as 30 dp. Okay, now for rating bar there are few attributes you have to set. Okay, and according to that you will filter the rating bar's properties, like the number of stars you want to use, and let's add it first in the property and then add into the activity. Okay, and here we have num stars as a property. Here you can set the number as the id or integer. Okay, so right now I have set 5, so it will give me 5 star when I run this application. Now I need a button here. Okay, so let's add a button, a normal button. So I will drag and drop one button here, and I will provide the same margin to the toggle button and the normal button. Okay, and I will write submit. Okay, so on this button click I will submit the rating. Okay, but to submit that rating I will need to write a code, right? First I will take rating bar as the variable because I need callback or I need user interaction to get the rating bar's properties, right? So for that I am declaring it here, rating bar. Now this rating bar I need to connect with this variable from that view, from that XML, right? So find view by id, and the id that I have given is rating bar, which I have copied here into rating bar. I can change the name here, I can write anything I want. I can write RT bar, no problem. You can write RT bar also. Okay, now on that button click I want to show a toast, right? So I will write button find view by id r.id dot button. Now button dot set on click listener. and here we set on click listener. Now here I will write a toast and rating, and now I want to print the rating of the rating bar, right? So what I will do is I will write int rating equal to rt bar dot get rating. Okay, they have one more property here is get, okay, get number of stars and get rating. Get rating is basically float because that rating can be in floating value or points also. In decimal point it can show you the ratings. Now let's try to run this application and see how it works. We can also set it by programmatically writing the rating. Okay, if you want to set a by default rating, you can do that also. Here you will get set rating. Instead of the get rating, you can get the set rating also. If you want to check, see set rating here they have given, right? And set max also you can set. So number of stars or maximum number of stars you can put there also. Okay, so now my program is running. I will go to my application. Okay, see, now here as you can see I can add half star also. I can do this half star also, then I can do full star also, right? So this is why they have given floating value. Now I will click submit. How much rating they have given? 2.5. Now if I click this, 0. If I click half of this or like this, 1.5. So why it is showing like this? Because we have not set max value here. Here you need to set max, where max is 5. Okay, so maximum 5 stars you can see here. And if you put rating also, you can do that also. By default rating you can provide 2, right? If you put number of stars 3, no problem. If you put max 3, no problem with that. Okay, your view is going to show you according to the settings you provide here. You can set a listener to the rating bar also. Set on rating bar change listener, which will give you idea about whenever the stars value have been changed. Okay, which will come in V, this V, but generally it is not used. There is no such case I have seen where a rating bar change listener is used, but you can do that. Okay,